The Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Nightingales, known for their enchanting bird song. What you don't know is that their poo was used as a beauty treatment by ancient Japanese geisha. It's still used today in upmarket spas and costs hundreds of dollars. You can blimmin' have mine for free. Shrews. They're little mammals that look like mice. Carnivorous plants. They're plants that eat meat. Shrews use them as toilets. True or false? Place your bets.
Poo Fact.
Ants. These grubby beggars do number twos inside their own nests. They do have a designated cooping area, but it's still not okay.
Fart facts.
Goats. They have 4 stomachs, so they fart like blimmin' champions. Once, goats being transported by plane farted so much that they activated fire alarms. An aircraft had to make an emergency landing. True story. Do shrews use carnivorous plants as a personal potty? You bet your flaming life they do. Well, don't ask me how it all works, because I don't want to know. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, close.